कुठ्ठाळ पंचायतीत काम करपी कामगाराक कोविड दुयेंताची लक्षणां मेळिल्ल्यान कुठ्ठाळ पंचायत कांय दिसां खातीर बंद दवरल्या. पंचायतींत लोकांची यो वच चालूच आसता. देखून तांच्या भलायकेचो प्रस्न आशिल्ल्यान पंचायतींत काम करपी हेर कामगारांच्यो चांचण्यो केल्ल्यान तांचो अहवाल आजून येवंक नाशिल्ल्यान पंचायत सोमार मेरेन बंद दवरल्या, अशें थळावी सरपंच सानिया परेरान सांगलां.
Last Wednesday, एकलो आमचो विजिटींग स्टाफ जो आसलो तो he was tested and without our knowledge he just came to the panchayat, and then on Thursday we came to know that the same visiting staff was detected as positive. So we were little anxious, so I coordinated with health department, DHC Dr. Sukor and under Dr. Sukor's advice, we waited for 4 days, and after 4 days, we conducted the test on all our staff. Go to see, Amcho Eklo staff is turned to be positive, and 3 tests on the three test staff are not clear. So I coordinated with the health center, and the health center they told me that these 3 staffs have to be retested again after 48 hours. So हाका लागून आता since आमची own staff positive मेळ्ळे and we are not sure whether what will be the result of the another 3 staffs. So हाका लागून नाका आमची localsaची life riskar घालपाक, because it is a matter of life and death. So हाका लागून as a precautious measure I coordinated with the BDO, and BDO said to close the panchayat till Monday. So we will get the test done, and until the result we will wait, and once the situation is normal we are going to start with the panchayat.